Kia wants the K900 to become one of the great revelations at the New York International Auto Show that will open its doors. Since announcing a month ago that the new generation of its flagship would be uncovered in the New York meeting, the Asian firm has not stopped publishing sketches and teasers with which to keep on alert the fans of the brand in the media. In this case, Kia has decided to release the first official images of the K900 where they see how the design of the firm has evolved, as it takes the best of the Stinger by transferring it to an even larger body, measuring 5.09 meters long, so it is expected to grow a couple of centimeters, as has also grown its wheelbase, from the current 3.04 meters to 3.10 meters. The first thing that draws attention to its exterior design is that the design language that the latest models of the brand have incorporated. In this case, it takes a more sober look, seen reflected in the famous front grille, called Tiger Nose, because it has a more oval chrome frame and a chrome weft that seems to incorporate 176 brilliant set in a jewel. Its front and rear optical groups have LED technology for all functions, but the K900 stands out on other Kia models by the double luminous signature for daylight. The rest of the aesthetic elements that shape the sedan of South Korean representation are similar to those we can see in a BMW 7 Series or Mercedes-Benz S-Class, as there are many simple and horizontal lines. Inside there is a cabin full of leather, noble wood and brushed aluminum. Among the premium details you will find an analog clock signed by the Swiss specialist Maurice Lacroix located in the center of the center console. The large touch screen, with 12.3 inches in size, which crowns the dashboard, and from which the car's infotainment system is operated, or the LED lighting system that has up to 64 different tonalities. The mechanical range that will give life to the new Kia K900 should be composed of gas blocks in configuration V6 and V8, choice between propulsion to the rear axle or four-wheel drive and an automatic gearbox with 8 ratios. However, it is a pity that Kia is not encouraged to bring this model to Europe, because although it is a success that will help improve their status, it will be limited.